Hello friends, I am Sohail Gori and you are watching Dynamic IELTS Center YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important section of IELTS. It is the writing. In writing, task 2, we are supposed to write an essay. Essay can be of different types, but the most important and commonly asked questions are about the opinion essays or the argumentative essays. The opinion essays can be like this, with the advent of technology, the role of teachers has been getting faded in the classrooms. To what extent do you agree? Or do you agree or disagree? Another question can be, a big salary is much more important than job satisfaction. Do you agree or disagree? Well, these kind of statements are asked with the candidates and they have to agree with the statement or disagree with the statement. You can go with agreement or disagreement, but the best is that if you go with the popular statement. The popular opinion is like, okay, the teachers are more important in the first case, in the first type of the essay which I have told you, like means the role of teachers is getting faded in the classrooms. So the best thing is with the advent of technology, well, the teachers are more important. You cannot rule out their roles in the classrooms, so better you must be having two reasons at least to get agree with this, and you have to clearly state it into detailed paragraphs after the introduction. In introduction, you are supposed to rephrase the question words, the question statement in your words. Then you have to give the clear-cut opinion that I am agreeing, I am agree or I disagree with the statement. Then the third sentence can be that you have to state two reasons. It is also called a detailed background sentence. Later, the two paragraphs after the introductory paragraphs, there you have to explain your first reason. In the third paragraph, you have to explain your second reason. The second paragraph after the introductory paragraph, there you have to write a topic sentence, means a universal truth or a hook regarding the point which you are making with the agreements. Then comes the explanation. You will be explaining things with the transition words. You will have to make the transitional sentences very clearly over there, means first, second, further, in addition, and then you have to come with examples. You should put an example, and the last sentence of the second paragraph, you have to link it with your opinion. Means if you are agreeing, you have to link the reason with your agreement or disagreement which you have taken in the very first paragraph. Then you have to take this third paragraph and you have to state the second reason over there the same way. That first sentence would be a hook, second would be an explanation. In the second paragraph, if you are saying like first, second, third, so write different transitional sentences or transitional words with the paragraph. For example, you can say on one hand, on the other hand, further, for instance, with examples, and then you have to link it with your agreement or disagreement. After stating all these 2 points in 2 different paragraphs after introductory paragraphs, then finally you have to write a conclusion. In conclusion, you will clearly state, now to sum up, it is clearly been proven that blah blah blah, whatever you have chosen as a statement. So follow these rules. I hope that you will be doing great. If you will be having difficulties, you can join my classes at Dynamic IELTS Center. Thank you.